So, I wanted to make a video and review Pop On Veneers. They come in this little case. It has a mirror inside. They send you an impression kit, like what they do at the dentist. And you do the impressions at home yourself and send them in. You mail them in. And in a couple of weeks, they send you Pop On Veneers. Veneers that you just pop on. So this is my bottom. And, you know, that's my real teeth. Okay. Pregnancy took all of my teeth from me. It ate my teeth away. Every pregnancy I had just made my teeth worse and worse. No amount of brushing, flossing, any of that, nothing prevented it from getting worse. Regular dentist appointments, everything. Pregnancy took it all. And it just got so bad. I don't smile. You know, I hide my mouth, my face. I hid everything, and I just didn't feel like myself. I didn't feel like a good person. I felt like I was a bad person because I have these teeth. But this, and it literally clicks. You can hear it click. And these are the tops. So, and then now I can smile. I feel like 100% better about myself. I feel like I'm myself again, who I used to be, you know, before my teeth got bad. And this has just been such a great change for me. It opened everything up for me. Now I can't stop smiling. And at first it was really hard to get used to the fact that I have this smile now. But it's been great. And it's worth it. It's worth every little bit of it to get this confidence back.